Hi, my name is Daniel Edwards. I work for E. Cornell Malone, and we're going to talk about installing gutters and gravel guard. When you guys are starting out to hanging your gutters, make sure that you guys are sloping your gutters down to the downspouts. So you may need to find out the location of your downspouts and slope your gutters to those areas so we have good proper flow of a water system. You may have to check your roofing edge to make sure there's nothing obstructing. Wood blocking, if there's any wood blocking that's obstructing, take a reciprocating saw and just go ahead and cut that flush with the substrate of your building. After that, you're going to fasten your gutters every 6 to 12 inches on the back lip of your gutters up at the very top to your wood blocking. Apply your liquid sealant or your caulking into the joint so that when your next gutter drops in, it flows over and down to your downspout. As you can see in this picture, we've done it about 1 inch to 3 inches. That's about typical in the field. Once you do that, we're going to have our pop rivets, and this is just to ensure that that gutter is not going to shift or move. We typically do 2 to 3 pop rivets in the face and on the belly. Also remember, before you hang your gutters, you need to go ahead and cut your downspout outlets before hanging your gutters. Once everything's been completed with the gutters, go back and check your laps and reapply some caulking just to create good watertight system. From here, we're going to go ahead and install of our hook cleat for the gravel guard. This is what keeps the wind lift from pulling up the gravel guard off the edge of the roof. We typically do about 3 to 6 inches of fasteners on the wood nailer, and it's staggered. After that, you're going to apply your flashing cement over your nails and on the back lip, as you can see as our finished product there of what it looks like. Once you do that, we're going to install our gravel guard by hooking on the drip edge to the hook cleat, and we're going to pull it up and over so that we can be able to attach our fasteners to the wood nailer through the gravel guard and through the hook cleat. As you can see, those fasteners are done every 3 to 6 inches, staggered formation. On your joints, you're going to use a backup plate in this particular detail, so make sure that your spacing is either 3/8 of a gap or a 1/2 inch, and keep it consistent throughout your project. This concludes our training video on installing gutters and gravel guard. Thank you for following us, and thank you for watching this video.